You probably know that greenhouse gases, the main culprit of global warming, are caused by carbon dioxide. But did you know that there are many types of carbon? The United Nations Environment Program divides carbon into 4 types of colors according to the location and characteristics of carbon storage. They are black carbon, brown carbon, green carbon, and blue carbon. As you may have noticed, black and brown are bad carbon, and green and blue are good carbon. Black carbon is an ultrafine particle from the incomplete combustion of fossil fuels. Brown carbon is carbon from automobile fumes, factory chimneys, etc., and is the very carbon that we generally consider as the main cause of global warming. On the other hand, there is also good carbon that absorbs bad carbon. A well-established pine forest or rainforest is a green carbon that absorbs carbon from the atmosphere. Like the mangrove forests, there is also blue carbon, which is carbon captured by sea ecosystem. Are you curious about how they absorb carbon? First, let's take a quick look at the photosynthesis of plants. Organisms have to eat to thrive, and plants have a remarkable ability to make their food. We call that photosynthesis. Plants need light, carbon dioxide, and water to make food. Plants absorb carbon dioxide through the pores of the leaves and convert it into carbohydrates using light energy from chlorophyll. And this carbohydrate is used as a material for making the body of plants. The carbon mass absorbed by plants is stored in a tree, which is green carbon. In other words, whenever a plant photosynthesizes, carbon masses are stored in the plant. In the past, we thought green carbon was the most important and could provide control over black and brown carbon. However, as forests such as the Amazon forest are threatened by habitat destruction, the function of green carbon is not working as well as before. As a result, scientists discovered blue carbon, a new absorption carbon that protects the earth. Blue carbon refers to the carbon absorbed by marine ecosystems such as coral reefs, fish, and shellfish living on the beach, and forests near the beach. The absorption rate of blue carbon is up to 50 times faster than that of green carbon. In addition, blue carbon is important for the global ecosystem because it can trap carbon for up to thousands of years. But this blue carbon is also currently in a big crisis. This is because the marine ecosystem has been seriously destroyed by human reckless coastal development and rising sea temperature due to climate change. Destroyed blue carbon is not able to contain carbon dioxide, which causes about 9 million tons of carbon dioxide to escape into the atmosphere. Our efforts to preserve the sea ecosystem are essential. Meanwhile, countries around the world are currently turning to blue carbon as a method to reduce carbon. In particular, countries that declared carbon neutrality in 2050 are working on developing this blue carbon. Many countries are actively conducting research to increase blue carbon by utilizing sea forests and tidal flats created under the sea. We hope that a breakthrough technology that vaporizes blue carbon will be developed soon. How much black and brown carbon did you generate today? Or did you work on increasing green and blue carbon? Our little practice today can make a better Earth tomorrow.